here, let me get this tape off.
You're double kidding this time. Three double kidding. Now, Hannah, we can bake.
Exactly. It's an oven that y'all can bake stuff in.
And it's easy peasy.
See?
And a cake.
Yeah, you got cakes and cookies.
Oh my God, try this right now.
Okay, now open this one up, because this one goes with it.
Really?
For both of you.
Come on, Hannah. Hannah,
But look, you got to see in it.
Cookies. The things you bake it with.
Right.
I got some.
You got cookies.
Hey, what are those for?
Oh, those are here too.
I'll get my stuff over here. I'm gonna get Daddy his present. Daddy, here's your present.